Hello fellow Indians, happy 79th Independence Day. Proud to be Indian, free, fearless and forever united. Thank you.
When I think about patriotism, a quote which is crossing in my mind always, that was given by Subhash Chandra Bose, our legendary freedom fighter. If we live for ourselves, our life ends with us. If we live for our country, our life becomes immortal.
Hi, my dear fellow Indians. As we all celebrate our 79th Independence Day this August 15, let's not forget freedom is free. And the important point, India's spirit lives through courage, unity, hope, and unwavering pride. Jai Hind.
Hello everyone. Wish you happy Independence Day to all. On this special occasion, I'd like to thank and show my respect to our honorable freedom fighters and soldiers who made possible this independence. Let's celebrate this freedom. Stay strong, stay unity. Thank you.
Hi everyone, wishing you all a happy Independence Day. I would like to share a strong quote which inspires me. Independence is back and we are the flame together. So from this moment, let us celebrate the past, value the present, and work together unitedly for a brighter future. Jai Hind.
Hi everyone, wishing you all a happy Independence Day. Let's all work together to build a stronger, brighter and prosperous India.